Today we're making roosting boxes for the chickens. We're using all scrap lumber for the roosting boxes. We're taking some spare tongue and groove pieces which are around 5 inches, trimming off the tongue, trimming off the groove, making them a consistent width so that we can use them for the roosting boxes. We first start out by cutting the chicken wire for the floor of the roosting box. We secure it into place using poultry staples and drill the frame for the skids together. Next we get the frame of the roosting box all set in place. Measure and cut the side walls, the back wall and the roof. Screw it all into place. Get the dividing walls in there. Next we drill some air holes so we can get some cross flow ventilation. We're almost done. We set it on the platform. There's a slight grade to the platform where we can hose it down and keep the roosting boxes clean. And we just fill it with bedding material. And there you go. Spiral upwards.